Welcome back to Channel 7. My name is Ivannna and today I am delivering on my room tour. I'm actually quite surprised by how many people wanted to see my room. I mean, I said I was going to do one, but then I was like, maybe not, because maybe no one's actually that interested, but people are interested. Hopefully this comes together quite nicely. If not, that's unfortunate because I'm not refilming this. It might be a little noisy in the background because my window is open and also they're doing construction in this building, so I can't really help that. Let's get started. So my room was honestly just inspired by a clean aesthetic. I initially wanted to do light tones like cream and have like rich wood furniture, but alas, that didn't work out, which is totally fine because I'm absolutely in love with my room. And I think the white furniture gives it a bit more of a modern look versus like a vintage look, but that's okay. It's clean, it's gallery-esque, which I'm personally here for. And there go the sirens. There goes sirens. And the construction has begun. This might be a little bit annoying. I apologize in advance. My room is fairly small, so the first thing that I tell everyone when they come in here is my goal was to make my room look bigger than it actually is. So the first step was essentially to make my room bigger, and if you watched my move-in vlog, you'll know that I actually moved my bed because I felt like where it was located made the floor space look kind of tight because my desk and my dresser would be near each other rather than being broken up by my bed, if that makes any sense whatsoever. You'll see when you see my room. First thing that you notice when you walk in, I feel like, is not behind my door, it's my dresser. On top of the dresser is where it gets kind of fun. I needed a place to put my books and I don't have a shelf in my room, so I put my books on top of there, or at least my paperbacks. Kind of arrange them in like the order that I want to read them in. So the book that I want to read first is at the front, and then books that I've read, like my comfort books, are at the back. On either end of my books, I have my mirror, my little circular one, and then on the other end of it, I have like a little file holder, and it has my school notebooks in it for this semester. On top of it though, I put a little postcard. I thought it looked cute there, and I have so many postcards that I've picked up from art galleries and just like museums that I've gone to, and I thought it added to like the color scheme of that area. And then I also have a little holder thing, and I put my two main earrings there, and I think they're honestly, they might be the only earrings I brought. So my gold ones I wear all the time, and then these Chanel like ones my brother got me for my birthday, and those ones I wear every so often depending on the fit. Those are special occasion earrings, I like to say. You will also notice that I have a little camera on there. I thrifted that, I want to say a year ago. And then I also have like the book that I'm reading. I have a little like storage bin beside my dresser. It has like necessities in it. So it has my vitamins, like my Candida stuff, like I don't even know, chest rub for colds, like health necessities. On top of it, I have my little like ring palette. As you can see, I have quite a few rings. I'm a bit of a ring junkie. And then it's on top of two books, so the Communist Manifesto and Animal Farm. I'm a Paul major, so I feel like these are books that I will have to read at some point, so I just brought both of them in case. And then I have a little jar on there, and it has like little throat lozenges. They're lemon, and you get them from the dollar store. The jar and the throat lozenges. And then I also have some dried flowers. It took me a minute to find dried flowers. I did not know where to go, and every time I searched a flower shop, they were fresh flower shops. Anyways, I went to Kensington Market and I hunted down this one flower shop that I remember going to in my first year, and I got some dried lavender, threw it in that vase which I had from first year. It's from IKEA, I'm pretty sure, and it looks so lovely. Moving on from my dresser and my little table, I have my bed. I do have different linens for my bed, and I like to switch things up. So right now I have gray bedding. This is from IKEA, and then my two pillows is from IKEA, and so is the cream one, which is also like an oatmeal color. So yeah, I have a change of linens, and probably in like a month and a half you'll see my bed with white linens, but for now gray is doing just fine. My mattress as well is from IKEA, and then my bed like base. It has like wooden legs, and that is from Kijiji, but the original bed is an IKEA bed. Above my bed, I've gotten lots of questions on this as well, is my art poster. I remember stumbling across this when I was at the Vancouver Gallery of Art, and I was like, this is absolutely beautiful, I need it. And lucky for me, it was really on sale. It's originally $40, but I am proud to say that I paid $4.99, which is insane. I don't even know why it would have been marked down so much, but who's complaining? My desk is a very important space. I do a lot on my desk. I do my readings, I do my Bible studies at my desk most of the time. And this is actually not the desk that I wanted, but you know what? It has storage, which the desk I wanted did not, so it's better. But the little door gets jammed constantly, and I don't know why. Is it like a manufacturing error? Does this happen to other people with this desk? Like, I don't know. The effort to get it open sometimes is just too much. So everything that's important is not inside this storage space. It's just stuff that I need every so often, because spending 5 minutes trying to get the drawer open, it's just too much for me. On top of my desk, I usually have my Bible journals, my main one. I do have one inside of here as well. That's my NLT. The one that's on my desk is the one that I study with. It's a journal Bible, and I got it this summer, and filling it out is just literally my favorite thing to do. I got it off Amazon. Literally nobody asked, but it's the New American Standard Bible. It's a word-for-word translation, which is why I got it. The ESV and King James are also word-for-word translations if you happen not to like the NASB, but this is literally Bible advertisement, but yeah. Anyways, I also have my budgeting journal on here, which is just a black spiral from Muji, and then I have my planner, which is from Indigo. Look at the art in this planner. It's absolutely stunning. I also always have my laptop on here, or it's on my bed, I don't know, either or. And then I have a little lamp. My lamp is from IKEA. It's $4.99, which is why I bought it. Student prices, man, student prices. My room doesn't have a light fixture, which I don't know who thought that that was okay, but I basically light my room with my little fairy lights and that lamp. Those are the light sources that I get in my room when it's dark, so. And then underneath it is my little pen cup, and those are the pens that I use on a daily basis. And then around my desk I have 3 postcards, and then on the window beside my chair I also have a stapler and one of my favorite fragrances. All right, turning over to the other side of my room, I have another hanging plant beside my dresser. I just like the location of it. The wardrobe comes with the apartment. They had to actually come in and build it because the space does not have a closet space, which for somebody who has as many clothes as I do is a bit of a struggle. Thinking ahead of time, and I decided not to bring my whole closet, like I said. So I only have like necessities in there, I like to think, but I'll probably end up getting more clothes throughout the year, so we'll see how things fare. In there is my closet, and it's organized by color. At the back I have dresses, and then I have like yellow and green, blue and purple, black, grayish tones, and then browns, creams, and white. Those are basically all the colors that I wear. Nothing more, nothing less. Well, that's not true. Oh, I forgot reds and pinks are also somewhere in there. At the top of my wardrobe, I have my hardbacks. You'll notice 2 favorites up there, Legendborn and Excuse Me While I Ugly Cry. Love those books. I also have More Dried Lavender up there, and they're in this cute little blue vase, which I got from IKEA like 2 years ago. I also have some more books up there and magazines. And then beside my wardrobe, I have a little picture wall. It has pictures of some of my friends, my mom and me, and my dad and me when I was little, because those are such cute photos. So I have my little hooks there. One has a hat, my brother gave it to me, and then I also am holding all my necklaces on the other hook. And below it, I have my shoe rack. My shoe rack is from the dollar store. It was not $1, it was $4, but still a pretty decent price. And then on my door, I have a little mask holder, And then I also have my backpack, which has some really cute pins. And one of them, it says VBS, and it's Jesus knocking at the door. And I mean, if you get it, you get it. He's knocking at the door of your heart. Will you accept him into your life as your personal Lord and Savior? That's the question. And then the other one says Calgary, which obviously is where I'm from. So gotta rep. That is my room tour.
Break me down and fill me out. Search my soul and know my doubts forever. Is it forever? I'll cuff my jeans and sweat my wear. Think too much and grow my hair whenever.
If there's anything that I didn't mention that you're curious about, let me know and I will get back to you. But thanks for watching. Sorry for the noise and the lighting changes and my quiet talking, but I hope you enjoyed and see you next week.
I'm a soft boy.